Hi, I'm Dave Bravender, and I'd like to talk to you today a bit about trust and how it relates to you and a financial advisor. Trust is at the very center of our relationships, at least the ones we care about. Trust and credibility are fundamentals of a good financial relationship. But how do we go about building that trust? These passengers boarding this aircraft implicitly trust that the flight crew will get them safely and efficiently to their destination. Why? Several reasons. A lot has to do with the reputation and credibility of the airline. It has to do with the way personnel present themselves and the way these customers are treated. The flight crew communicating with these passengers about things such as flight time and delays helps instill confidence and trust. If the airline representatives are sensitive to their needs and concerns of these travelers, it certainly contributes towards trust and credibility. These pilots have a relationship of trust as they prepare for flight. How did this come about? There are many factors, but I'll highlight a few. It starts with clear communication and leadership in the flight planning stage. They each know that the other is knowledgeable and skilled because they both train extensively and are tested frequently. Both will be monitoring the flight's progress and making changes if necessary to stay on course. There are some definite parallels in building trust in a financial relationship that you've just seen with these two pilots. It begins with clear communication between the advisor and you in order to make a plan towards achieving your financial goals. It requires proficiency on the part of the financial professional to stay current with the changes in the financial landscape. It takes reviewing your plan periodically to make sure that you're on course towards your financial destination. Trust is at the heart of the relationship with your financial advisor. Let me give you a couple of tips before you go. Always be very clear in communicating with your advisor and that what you're trying to achieve. A good advisor should listen to your needs and concerns and address them appropriately. Trust is a precious thing. A trusted financial advisor is a good person to have on your team. Have a great day. Trust and credibility are fundamental parts of a good financial relationship. But how do we go out?
Just do it again.